Here's some Division of Berlin trivia. Subscribe. In what year was the Berlin Wall erected? Is it A, 1975, B, 1961, C, 1945, or D, 1989? The correct answer is B, 1961. What marked the official end of the Berlin Wall? Is it A, 1985, B, 1989, C, 1991, or D, 1979? The correct answer is B, 1989. What city was the capital of East Germany? Is it A, Munich, B, East Berlin, C, Dresden, or D, West Berlin? The correct answer is B, East Berlin. Who was the leader of East Germany during the wall's construction? Is it A, Angela Merkel, B, Ludwig Erhard, C, Walter Ulbricht, or D, Helmut Kohl? The correct answer is C, Walter Ulbricht. Who directed the iconic film Good Bye Lenin? Is it A, Christian Petzold, B, Wim Wenders, C, Tom Tykwer, or D, Wolfgang Becker? The correct answer is D, Wolfgang Becker. What major event occurred on November 9, 1989? Is it A, stock market crash, B, Berlin Treaty, C, wall opening, or D, Apollo 11 landing? The correct answer is C, wall opening. What happened to East Germany after the wall fell? Is it A, partition again, B, reunification, C, annexation by France, or D, new republic? The correct answer is B, reunification. Which famous musician performed in East Berlin in 1990? Is it A, Madonna, B, David Bowie, C, Bruce Springsteen, or D, Johnny Cash? The correct answer is B, David Bowie. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.